Yes. What is that?
Garlic.
You know what we do with this vampire? Garlic make the vampire boil. So I'm sure if I open it right now, mom might disappear. You want mommy to disappear? You want mommy to disappear?
But let me drop my picnic, he's a fool. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in France. Well, it's the night right now and we just got back in from the supermarket haul. I saw like I can do a auction. One going, two going, three going, 500 for Mr. Ludovic Delaveaus, and Delaveaus going once, going twice. Who's gonna buy? Let me see those hands. Tyler, do you want to purchase Mr. Delaveaus? Delaveaus going once, going twice. Ooh, $5 for Mr. Delaveaus. Delaveaus up for €5. And €5 for the winner and sold to Tyler. Anyway, you guys, it's been a long day. Hi, supermarket haul with your stinky bottom.
Can't stay too close to her.
Let's go change. Let Papa do the supermarket haul until we come back. Okay.
She have to go. Anyway guys, we're gonna show you what we got today. You ready?
Yes,
you ready?
We
show me because I don't know what it is. So we have some yogurt guy. That's gonna be which one you want to start with? This one? Alright, tell me what is that? Tell me what is that? We have some Bible biscuit. This is new.
I give you a new thing.
This is something new. This is like a Saban. This is a brand. This is like a cake with some chocolate in it. It's not fully chocolate this time, but it's some cake. We have some cookie. The pack of cookies that we got in the past finished, so we got new cookie because kids love the cookie. Oh, we got some new chocolate, new biscuit, Pepito. I used to get Pepito brand when I was young. I remember it was on TV. The Pepito, you have like a Mexican hat. You see that long hat? And it was like, oh, Pepito! And he was playing the Mexican things and yeah, I didn't see that commercial since the years. Oh yeah, every time when you have the Pepito commercial on TV, you are just gonna laugh. You're just waiting on the Pepito commercial. I guess the bankruptcy that crashed and did everything. We have some regular biscuit. Now there's so many different brands. Look at this. Different brand. Oh, somebody wanted saucisson, dry sausage.
It's me.
That's a good choice then. That's a good choice. We have some lentil for the family. We have more than one time. We have some yogurts. This last day's bed. Took the yogurt like this. I didn't get much this week, so I think she also loved the yogurt. It's not only for me. We have some cashew. When she takes the cashew, she can't take the salt. She has to take the unsalt one. Let's ask me why. And on the side, she gets the family monster munch.
Somebody squash up my peach.
Well, we have smash up peach. What else do we have, Tyler? Show me.
Okay.
Show me, we have some juice. You want to test juice, Tyler? Can I put the juice on you?
No.
Open the mouth.
No.
Open the mouth. I want to put it's gonna fall on you, it's gonna fall on you. I have two, it's like a 4 pounds. 4 pounds, a little bit more than 4 pounds.
Who is here?
We have some corn. A long time I didn't see corn. Okay. Oh, cordon bleu. Why she took that? Why she have to take this type of cordon bleu? When you leave her, she always take the wrong one. Well, we have cordon bleu. Let's say she tried. I like when she tried. We have some pineapple juice. Pineapple, we love pineapple. We have pineapple juice.
Somebody squash up the nuggets.
Somebody squash up the nuggets. Wow. So why did she take these nuggets? Something wrong with my wife today. But I'm gonna ask her why. Let's wait on that
Broken
explanation.
tuna.
We have some tuna, it's just the package that is broken.
Yes.
Then we have it's baby tuna. There's more than one pack. We have the apples, puree, compote we say in France. So this is for the kids. We have juice for the kids. Hey, when you shop, when you're single, when you're married without kids, it's a whole different shopping that you do. We have oil. But we have some serious. Give me faster, Tyler. Faster. We have 2 packs of mini pizza here. We like to get mini pizza on Friday, so yeah. For next week, we have some yogurt. Oh, somebody get the shrimps, lemon chips. Is you that decide to want that?
Yes.
Okay. And who wants this to drink? It's lemon juice.
It's
Lemonade.
It's
So you get the lemonade.
this is something that
This
that's
is to
not
clean.
good.
To clean the dishwasher soap. We have onions, is little baby onions. Okay. What else we have? We have juice. Show me something new. Ooh, we got
It's
squash.
a bit squashy.
It's a little bit squash. We have salmon that squash.
What
A
is
little bit wet. So
and
was
something brown.
around.
The
I have to put it here.
cloud.
We have cucumber.
Cucumber.
Can I slap you with a cucumber?
No.
Okay. He said no, so I'm not going to slap him. If you have said yes, I will have. We have a bush tuff? A bush tuff? No, that's a toothbrush, not a bush tuff. So yes, we have a toothbrush. Thank
Foil
you.
paper.
We have foil paper. Something's wrong.
Yes. I think it's the tuna.
No, it can't be the tuna. Maybe it's the fish. My God.
We didn't buy no fish.
We have, what is salmon?
Oh, fish.
Thank you, Tyler. We have some lemon, regular lemon. We have orange juice. We have apple juice.
Papa,
And we
you
have
ready
orange juice.
something that you like?
Tell me. Oh, we have Oasis. We like Oasis. Alright, what else do we have? Show me again, Tyler. Okay, we have shrimp. Ooh, well, little shrimp. Oh, my God. We have some carrots. Another salmon.
A little bit squash up.
We have some bread that's a little bit squashed up, as Tyler said. And we have some carrots. We have carrots. I don't know what she's gonna do, but I think she's gonna do like a potato, like a pomme de terre, like a potato and carrot salad.
Yes, or maybe a carrot cake.
I don't think so. I think she have there's a vanilla almond milk, or almond milk with vanilla. We have some ginger. We have good ginger here. Show me again, Tyler. Yes, we have the celery. The celery is to. What is it inside the celery? I see things inside the celery.
We're back. Sorry, they don't leave any space for you.
What
Sorry,
is
it's a
celery?
supermarket haul.
We have celery.
You're back. Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Fabs.
Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Fabs. We have some avocado.
Oh.
What are you doing here, by the way?
Say hello,
You haven't done
Faves.
that?
Come, tell Faves hello.
We
Say
have
hello, Faves.
apples for bananas. What is that, sir?
Apple.
Apple. What is that?
In the bathroom, said super.
Apple.
In the bathroom, said supermarket haul.
What is that, sir?
Onion.
No, it's tangerine.
Onion.
Good job.
Oh, that smell like fish.
Yeah, that's really smell like. You want to smell my finger?
Onion.
Yes. It smell like fish. Ooh.
It's what?
Grapes.
Salmon?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it was with a Jamaican salmon. Salmon.
You're shaking, you're
It
cold.
was a Jamaican salmon. That's why.
Onion.
No, that's tomato.
We have tomato.
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 Goodness.
Ah! What is that, Sarah?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. Good job.
Yes.
What's that?
Iceberg. Pretty bear. Pretty bear. Pretty bear.
Yes, Sarah. Yes, yes. What is that?
Column.
Garlic. You know what we do with vampire? Garlic make the vampire go away. So I'm sure if I open it right now, mom might disappear. You want mommy to disappear? You want mommy to disappear?
Let me drop my knees. I'm full.
That's why I have to keep it closed.
Listen.
We have Listerine because somebody stink. Somebody must stink. Yeah, I'm talking about somebody in the house, not necessarily you.
You're talking about the downstairs. Right.
Yeah.
But I hear him feel their road.
We have banana. What is that?
If anybody more was thinking, no, so I was the first to
Banana. What is that? We have spinach.
It's not normal that we buy water.
No, it's Papa put it in there.
Papa, why did you
Continue,
get my
continue.
water?
She said, water, please.
Oh, we already.
So thank you, Papa. So thank you, Papa.
Oh, this we didn't.
Good job.
Help me. Fast, fast,
This
fast.
is new.
Oh, Pringles. You invite somebody?
It's not for you, it's for Sarah and Tyler.
But I'm going to give some to you, Papa.
I
Don't
know,
worry.
you're the best one.
No,
Oh.
he's not getting
We have
none.
lemon
Yes,
syrup.
Okay.
Cheering it.
Hearing.
I love you, Tyler.
We
We have apples. We have a good amount of apples. It's only
No,
three.
it's 3 pack. Where the good amount come
I believe it
from?
was more than 3. We have another. What is that?
Chicken.
Chicken. I don't know why you changed chicken. You stopped taking the other one. You like this one?
This one was on sale.
Okay.
1, 2,
We have kiwi. Kiwi.
3. Wait.
You mean why I stopped taking the Thai itself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer this one
And we have a crepe.
at the moment.
You're gonna eat the crepe, right? You're not gonna let them spoil.
That's the same question I asked you when you asked me to pick it up.
Tyler take the crepe. It's 5 in it. I don't eat crepe.
No, he eat crepe, but
I try not to eat crepe, so I leave them for him. But he make them spoil. What a waste. What a waste. No, it's heartbreaking when you just want some things and you just say, okay, I'm gonna resist, not gonna take it and leave it for the kid, and then it's spoiled. That's terrible. That's
finish ranting?
dirty.
You finish?
No, I don't
Why
finish.
you
It's one more
ranting
bag.
at me? Rant
It's
at
one
your
more bag.
son.
Have some-
You make it spoil.
I have some ham here and broccoli in the bag. What else do we have? We have some petit pois, little peas.
Sarah's favorite.
I don't know how you call that in English.
Green peas.
Green peas, and we have some carrot and beans. You have no spinach with the cream?
No, spinach already in the freezer.
Okay, what here we have is the last thing, Ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
It's the ratatouille like the movie.
It's the end of the supermarket.
Yeah.
And now time for rock, paper, scissors. Come.
I'm gonna lose because my hand's sticky.
Come on, don't run away. Come Tyler, whop him. Come Sarah. Go Tyler, go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You got the rock, paper, scissors? So where you going? Come.
I know you need to win this time.
Come
You
to
need to
it.
win over Mama.
Come on, you were waiting on mud.
No, it's you against Tyler.
No, it's you.
It's always me. You're afraid. You're coward. You're chicken. You're chicken. You're afraid.
Quack, quack, quack. Sarah said, quack,
Every
quack.
time you're afraid to face. You're
Come.
afraid.
I say it and you two play.
You're afraid.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Papa 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tyler 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-1.
Tyler, you need to do your thing on point with Papa O, not after.
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No. Yes.
No. I'm coming today.
The person five. It really is five.
I kick your
Five
ass.
is real.
No, 3.
So why is the movie this five?
I kick
We are not
Tyler
doing
ass.
this.
I
That's
kick
okay.
Tyler ass.
You got defeated today, you come back next week stronger,
I
okay?
kick Tyler ass.
Okay?
No, it's
Be
impossible.
careful.
I kick Tyler ass. Ass. Tyler ass red right now. He red like the tomatoes.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Pringles.
No, it's the color of Tyler ass. It's the color of Tyler ass. You get whooped.
Anyway, you guys.
You get whooped.
I didn't get to intro the vlog properly, but anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy the supermarket haul. You know, normally when we give you the supermarket haul, it's just one vlog, and yeah, it's a lot going on around here. I probably have a few more clips to show you guys from a different day, so I'll insert that right now. But anyway, hopefully guys you enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan band. Catch and keep up. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey, come here. Say bye-bye to Fibs.
Bye-bye, and make sure to train at rock, paper, scissors.
Are you to train? Make sure you train. Sarah, tell Fibs bye-bye. Tell Fibs bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And Mama, it should become normal. Yeah, I had trained today.
You train today at school?
Yeah.
Are you still lose?
Yeah.
That's okay. You come stronger next week, okay?
Okay, but every time I do this, I
Huh?
every time I do this versus another hand, it's always me that moves.
Well, now you know you have to fix it.
But
Okay.
I don't know if I'm going to.
You just have to try. Keep trying. Alright?
Okay, but with who I'm going to train.
With yourself.